Professor, Honorable Leader of Opposition and Sangla, and Bab Digambar Kamath has already expressed his views. That one word you pick up is a go down. Now I'll reply to that go down.
He said
It is not a go down. I'll tell you, when I was not a minister and I was in the opposition, Goa Medical College's minor OT was a go down. I went and got it personally cleaned after getting a housekeeping agency on board. It is your perspective to look at it.
It is his.
No, I said, no, I got...
Doctor told you,
and I'm not...
I repeated what the same words what he said. I didn't make an
example.
Opposition leader.
I didn't say it's wrong. I didn't say it's a wrong thing. What happens is there was a situation in Goa Medical College where all the nurses used to store all their food and everything in the fridge instead of medicines being stored. And this was in the casualty. I used to go personally and empty it. And I used to be very strict with them in those days. And now also, whenever I visit, I keep a check on all these things. These things don't happen now. I'm just trying to explain to you how the situation can deteriorate and how the situation can improve. What you said is correct. It may be used because the OT is being shut.